How to customize the experience in other options for AAAPOS RetailManager. The Other tab window allows you to set various options that apply to AAAPOS RetailManager. The Other tab is divided into several groups of options. These groups are Miscellaneous, Lay-by options, Quote options, and Default staff. The Miscellaneous group allows you to select general options that apply in RetailManager. Select Accept leading zeros on barcodes to record and print leading zeros on your barcode labels. If deselected, leading zeros on barcodes will be omitted. Select Allow decimals in reports to display decimal values in reports. Select Auto Remind Low Stock to display a RetailManager warning when the stock level of an item is below the threshold quantity set in the stock window. Select Check Last Stock Supplier to display a RetailManager warning if you receive an item from a supplier who is not the default supplier of that item. Select Drill Downs Show Cost or Sell Tax Inclusive to display the tax inclusive cost or sell price in windows that allow you to drill down to a transaction window. For example, the Purchases tab in the Customers window or the Sales Orders tab in the Stock window. Select Include Tax in Costs to select the Costs Include Tax option by default in the Goods Received, Returned Goods, and Purchase Orders windows, and to display the tax inclusive cost in the Cost column. Select Print Barcodes with Goods Received to load barcodes in the Print Custom Barcodes window for items entered in the Goods Received window. You can then print the group of barcodes from the Print Custom Barcodes window. Select Repeat Description for new stock in Good Received to repeat the description you enter for a product when receiving it into stock in the description field of the next product to be received. This is useful when you are entering the same product in different sizes or colors. You can still edit the description of the new product. Select Show Outstanding Credit Note Values to display credit note, deposits and gift voucher values on the sales, lay-by payment, debtor payment, quote, and sales order transaction windows. Select Use Average Cost to average the cost price where an item is received into the system with a different cost price from the same items previously received. If this option is not selected, the new cost price of the stock item will be assumed to be valid for the same items previously received. A stock variance will be posted if there is a difference between the new and previous purchase price. Select Display Sign-On Method window to display the sign-on method window when you open your shop front. Select Use Current Cost Converting Sales Orders to use the current cost of the item when converting a sales order to a sale. If this option is not selected, the original cost price will be used. Select Use Current Cost in Goods Returned to use the current cost price when committing a returned goods transaction. The goods received invoice associated with this stock item cannot be selected. If this option is not selected, the goods received invoices for the item can be selected, and the original cost price will be used on the returned goods statement. Select Allow Static Quantity in Goods Received to allow you to goods receive static quantity products. Please note, goods receiving static quantity products can cause havoc with accounting exports, stock variances, profit reports, etc. Use the Lay-by Options group to set options that apply to laybys. Select Lay-by Due to specify a due date for laybys, and choose or type the number of weeks when the lay-by is due. Select Print Signatures on Lay-by to print a signature field on the hard copy record of the lay-by for the customer to sign agreeing to your lay-by terms and conditions. The Quote Options group contains one option, Quotes Expire. Select this option to specify an expiry date for quotes and select or type the number of weeks before a quote expires. The Default Staff contains options to set a default staff number to appear automatically in the Sales and Payments windows and lock the staff number field. This feature is useful where just one staff member enters transactions in RetailManager most of the time, saving them from having to key in their number before each transaction. To set the default staff number, enter the required staff number in the default staff field. Press F2 or select the search icon to retrieve the staff number from the Search for window. Select the Lock Staff Number to lock the staff number field, so the field only displays the default staff number and cannot be edited.